Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word for Windows. So, these shortcuts will help you tons of time and make working in Word much faster. So, Microsoft actually has an official tutorial page with all Word shortcuts. If I open this article, you'll see shortcut list for Windows, Mac OS, Office for iOS, and Android, and even the Word web version. Since we're using Windows, I'll be focusing on the Windows shortcut today. So the first one is Ctrl plus Z. This reverses your most recent actions. And we use Ctrl plus Y if you want to redo something you just undid. And we use Ctrl plus X if you want to cut the selected content to the clipboard. Ctrl plus C to copy the selected content to the clipboard, and Ctrl V to paste the content off the clipboard. Also, we use Ctrl Shift plus V to paste text without colors, font, or formatting. Now for navigation and zoom in, we use Ctrl plus plus sign and Ctrl plus minus sign. This lets you quickly change the document's zoom level. And that's it. Those are some of the most useful Microsoft Word shortcut for Windows. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.